Hey guys, it's Johnny Tech Review. Today I have a quick review for you of this laser distance meter. So this is a small little electronic gadget that's designed to measure distance, but not only it measures distance, it also does area, it also does cubit, and it also does some pentagram calculation. So it came in a little package like this, as you can see. There's various different models, but this one is the smallest one they make. This is the 40 meter version, which is roughly about 120 feet or so, and they also make one up to 100 meter though. Inside here you get the meter itself, so they give you these AAA battery which are already installed and it's ready to go. At the back of the unit here you also have a little tripod thread to mount on the tripod. If you want to have a flat level you can use it, it's kind of neat. And it has some information here regarding the laser. It's a class 2 laser. And then up front here you have the unit. At the bottom of the unit here you have some other stuff. You have a little user menu, and then you have this little carrying case which has a little belt strap so you can put it around your belt, so that's pretty useful. And then you also have a little wrist strap here, so you definitely will need to read this little instruction manual. It's pretty small, about 4 or 5 pages here, and it has detail on everything on how to use the product, but I'll show you right now how it works. So here, as you can see, over here you have a little bubble leveler that's built in, but here's the rest of the button. You have the off and then the clear. You press this, hold down, to turn off, and you can press it to also clear. Over here you have the measurement. You can press this button to start measuring stuff. This is your cubit. This is your plus and minus. For doing addition and subtraction, so you can actually like measure something, add additional link to it. You can do that with this right here. There's a light button. This is the unit button to switch between the various different units between English and Imperial. There's your pentagram button to do calculation. There is your point of reference. I'll point show it in a minute here. And then you have and I believe this is the menu button. Let's turn it on and show you guys how it works. So you press this button here, and as you can see there, it beep, let you know it's ready. If you press the light will come on just like that. It's a white light and it's very easy to see. So here you can see its feet. You can switch between the different unit by pressing the unit button here. So you got meter. So you have different placement for meter again, and then you have inches, and then you go again a different placement. This is also an Imperial, but this is like meter and inches at the same time. And then you press it again and take you back to feet, which is the one I like to use. So for example, I am roughly about 6-7 feet from the wall, I think. Let me press the measure button here. You press it once and then you press it again. And there you go. See, it tells you 7 feet, and then you can switch it between the different unit. 2.2 meter, 2.2 meter in decimal place, 87 inches, 87 inches with you know, there's your little small quarter measurement right now, and back again to another inches now. So then we can just swap around. There you go. So that's basically it. The light will come on for about 30 seconds, and then if you don't use it, it will go off. So for example, let me clear this up. Just hold out this button here. That cleared. Now let's measure it again. So for example, let me go back to the feet. I like the feet. Let me go ahead and measure the same distance again. Yeah, you can see I'm pointing at a different spot on the wall, so the measurement is a bit different. Let me just go ahead and do an add, and then I'm gonna add somewhere on that wall right now. There we go, and then they give us 8 more feet, and then total is 16 feet right now. So you notice that up front here you have the laser here, and then you have this little kind of optical lens that read off the laser. So for example, if you do the measurement, you press it once, it's turning the laser to show you where it's going to measure, and then when you're ready you press it again, and it does the measurement, and just like that. So you can kind of see now. So that last one was 1 feet, so it's doing the addition here. You can also do a subtraction, so let me show you. So I'm going to measure the wall again. There we go, and then we're going to do a subtraction. There we go. So 7 feet minus 1 feet is like 6 feet. Kind of give you an idea. It works pretty well and it's really fast. The accuracy is pretty good. I basically took a regular 1-foot ruler and just measured that for the distance and kind of give you an idea. On this side here you have this reference level, and let me show you here. Right here, this is changing right here, so just to let you know that where it start measuring. So if you doing this, that means if you hold it like this on the edge of the table, for example, that means it start measuring from the back. That's just a point reference, and you have the middle, and then you have the top. So if you want to start measuring from here, you want to do that top one. That's what the option is for. So of course you get the option to do area, for example here. So you click in this area here. It'll show you right now that it's in the area mode. If you press it again, it'll go into a cubit mode. So I'm just going to go ahead and do area here real quick. Area, there we go. So if you just, and you know, all it takes for an area is basically length times width. So if we do the length, and then we do the width, and then together they just go 6 multiply by 8, you get 57 feet. And then same thing with cubit, you just have to do 3 measurements and you're ready to go. Pretty easy to use this unit. For me, I use this a lot to just kind of give me an idea in my house, or when I'm outside testing some Bluetooth device and I just want to know the range, or some other device I just want to know the range. It works pretty well. So yes, it's good for about 120 feet or so. If you're into home improvement, I think this will work pretty well for you. 40 meters should be plenty for most people, but if you need to, you can pay a little bit more and get the longer version. It does seem a little bit overwhelming at first, but all you have to do is just go over that menu, which take about 5 minutes, and then you should be good to go. So I hope this short little review helped you in your budget decision. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment below, and as always, stay tuned for future review. Thank you.